Ever since I know how to make this tomato paste, which some of us call tin tomatoes, I start buying from the supermarket. Do you know why? This is small, it's nicer, and it's organic. The reason I call it organic is I made it myself and I know how I made it. So when I'm eating it, I eat it with my mouth wide open. Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome back again here. It's good to see you guys again. So this is how I made my tomato paste at home. I just went to the street market and get some tomatoes for myself, because if I have to go to supermarkets, it will be a bit expensive, So I got these tomatoes for just 10 euros, guys, and I got a lot of tomato paste from it. Alright, so what I said in the street market is just vegetable and fruits. And this is what I'm doing. When you get home, I wash my tomatoes and I started removing the seed. Alright, guys, when you are removing the seed, make sure you remove the seed very well. Don't let even one seed be in it. If not, it's going to show in your tomatoes. So that is, it will not make it look organic. Okay, guys. So when you're removing the seed, take your time and do it very well. So after doing all this, doing all this, and while doing it, make sure you the filter you're using, make sure there's something under it, because we're going to be using the water to cook our tomatoes. Yes, so we're going to seal the water from the seed. We're going to separate it and we'll use the water to cook the tomatoes. I'm just going to explain it to you guys and I will leave you to enjoy it. Okay, so after removing all this now, like I've said before, I'm going to put the water in my tomatoes, because as I'm removing it, I'm putting it straight to the pot, because before I start doing this, I have washed the tomatoes. Okay, so after doing this now, I'm going to boil it, just cook it with a medium heat. Alright, depends on how hot your gas is. Alright, so this is how I did it. So that is the water, and yeah, I just turn the water in. So that's the water I'm going to use to cook it. You're not going to add extra water, just the tomatoes water. That's all. Alright, I'm still going to look for some water from the seed. Alright, after this, you just put it, leave it, and let it cook until it's like this. So this is how it is. So I left mine to cook. After it cooked like this, I didn't blend it the same day. I left it till the next day. Like this, everything would settle. So you will see, while blending it is already thick. As you can see here, you look no, you see, it looks like already like tomato paste because I left it to settle till the next day before I blend it. You see how it looks here, like already tin tomatoes, guys. Yeah, it's really nice. So the ones I've made before, I blended it immediately after I boiled it. All right, the result I got from this one is quite better than the one I got from my previous ones. Okay, so I decided to try it this way, so I will know which is better, then I will know what to do. All right. So now I'm done with the blending. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in the gas. In this time, guys, you're going to use a very low heat, low, like number one. I'm going to use number one because you don't want your tomatoes to get burned. That is very bad. So how you do it, just lower your heat and don't leave it. You have to stay there to keep turning it, to make sure to prevent it from burning. So now I am cooking it now with low heat, guys. So that's it. This is how I cook it until it gets on my own taste. So you can do yours even thicker than mine or even lighter, depends on how you want it. Alright guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Please, if you enjoy what I'm doing here, do help me to share the video and also subscribe and for more video. Thank you so much and bye.